Hello all, I am Bharat, Assistant Professor, STMIT, Ujre. Now I am going to explain the types of hashing function. There are four types of hashing function. First one, division method, mid-square method, folding method, digital analysis method. Now let us see what is division method. In this case, hashing function depends upon the remainder of division. Perhaps the simplest of all the methods of hashing an integer x is to divide x by m and then to use the remainder modulo m. This is called the division method of hashing. In this case, the hash function is h of x is equals to x mod capital M. Generally, this approach is quite good for just about any value of m. In certain situations, some extra care is needed in the selection of suitable value for m. For example of hashing, that is h of 21 is equals to 21 mod 10 will generate a address 1. One address will be assigned to 21. H of 56 is equals to 56 mod 10 is equals to 6. 6 is the value that is address generated for 56. H of 39 is equals to 39 mod 10 is equals to 9. 9 is the value that is assigned to 39. H of 48 is equals to 48 mod 10 is equals to 8. 8 is the address assigned to 48. H of 96 is equals to 96 mod 10 is equals to 6, which is the collision because already the 6 has been already assigned to 56. H of 13 is equals to 13 mod 10, that give rise to a 3 address to the value 13. Mid-square method. In mid-square method, key is squared and middle or mid part of the result is used in the index. If the key is string, it has to be pre-processed to produce a number. Consider that if you want to place a record 311, then square of 311 is equals to 967821. For a hash table of size 1000, we have to choose 3 digits. That is, middle number is 782. We can also choose 678. It has to be followed for all the values. Folding method. In folding method of constructing the hash table begins by dividing the item into equal size pieces. The last piece may not be of equal size. These pieces are then added together to give the resulting hash value. For example, the telephone number 436554601, we would take the digits and divide them into groups of 2, that is 43, 65, 55, 46 and 01. After the addition, 43 plus 65 plus 55 plus 46 plus 01, the sum is 210. If we assume our hash table has 11 slots, we need to perform extra step of dividing 11 and keeping the remainder. In this case, 210 mod 11 gives rise to 1. 1 is a value assigned to our telephone number 436555601. Hashes to a slot value 1. Some folding method go one step further and reversing the middle pieces before addition. For the above example, the red mark number has been reversed. That is give rise to a 219 with a slot size of 11. It gives rise to a 10. 10 is a different value from 1. Digital analysis. In this method, we will examine digit analysis. We continue to deleting the digits until number of remaining digits is small enough to give an address in the range of hash table. Address is equals to selected digits from the key. Example, using 6-digit employee number to hash to 3-digit address. We would select first, third, fourth digits from left and then use as address. For example, 379452, 394 are the first, third, fourth digits. Similarly for other two examples. Multiplication method. The hash function used for multiplication method is h of k is equals to floor n k a mod 1. Here k is the key and a can be any constant value between 0 to 1. Floor means that is rounded off to integer value. Both a and k are multiplied and their fractional part is separated. This is then multiplied with n to get the hash value. N is a size of the hash table. Example, k is equals to 123, size of the hash table is 100, a value is 0.618033, h of 123 will give rise to 1 according to this multiplication method. The advantage of multiplication method is that it can work with any value of a, although some values are believed to be better than other. One more example, h of k is equals to floor size ka mod 1, where a varies from 0 to 1. Size is 10, a is equals to 0.485, k is equals to 50. This hashing function multiplication method gives rise to a hashing value, that is address 2. In general, multiplication method multiply a constant 0 to 1a with k, fractional part k is taken and multiply with m. Thank you.